now in front of us we have again the green team, Castilla de San Cugat. Fielding 4x7 human tower, which we saw the Burdegasos complete in the first round. In the first round, these Castillas de San Cugat completed 3x7, un 3-7. The human tower ground. So we have 4x7 Aragat, Castilleta, San Cugat, 4x7 round by the human tower team from San Cugat. And from here on they shouldn't have any difficulties to dismantle this in a controlled way. In the base, in the piña, we have somebody here called Rasta Flag. The yellow shirts worn by the Burdegas Puliganova, and the red shirts worn by Alvin Salvandrei. Of course, great, nice color combination with the green one worn by Castilleta San Cugat. We are in Milano Lateral 2 from West Virginia 2012.